Hello everyone, I'm Irina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, welcome. In this video we have another latest beauty unboxing, which is the October box. So if you'd like to know more about latest in beauty, I will leave some information down in the description box along with a referral link, which will give you 20% off your first subscription box if you like to use it. And as usual, I will go through my previous box and tell you what I thought of the items, and then we're going to go into unboxing the October box. Right, so in September I had 3 little samples of the Cetaphil Daily Defense Moisturizer with SPF 50. I'm still enjoying those, still using them because I had the same member reward in August. Then I also had a Dr. Teal's body scrub, which I will actually show you because I've used some. Because I want to show you the consistency of this. I have no clue exactly how to describe it. Maybe gel-like. So basically that's how it is. So you get like your salt granules in there being kept by this gel or oil. I'm not quite sure exactly how to describe it. Oh, and the smell of it. So I'm really enjoying the texture of this because everything will just stay together. So when you scrub on your body, it's not gonna go everywhere. And even if it does, it dissolves quite quickly in the shower. My fingers now smell so lovely. So yeah, I'm really enjoying that one. I was kind of hoping that it would have still been available when I did my October picks, but sadly it wasn't. It was all sold out, so to speak. But it doesn't matter. I've got good October picks anyway. Right, what else did we had? The Umberto Giannini 60-second pre-shampoo treatment. I've used this a couple of times. I'm not quite sure what to think of it yet. I haven't noticed much of a difference. I don't think it's enough use for me to give to have an opinion on it or to give a review, but so far meh. Then I had an NARS Lip Color Pencil in shade Dolce Vita. I will insert a picture here where I'm wearing it both on my lips and on my cheeks. I absolutely adore this color. It's kind of like a perfect peachy pink, I would say. Would you say it's a peachy pink? Yeah, but I'm really liking this color. I think it goes great this season as well. It's very creamy, feels so nice on the lips, lasts for quite a while. Really nice. I'm very happy with that. I almost didn't pick it because you will see that this month I picked other lip products, but I'm quite happy that I did. Then I had the Luxie brush, which was an angle brush for contour, concealer, things like that, and I'm really enjoying it. I do like the Luxie brushes. They are quite nice. Then I had the Cinema Secret sanitizing spray. This one I was kind of hoping that would work, that would have 2 uses. One obviously for sanitizing my products, and the other one for maybe cleaning my brushes as I use them. It does clean a little bit, not more than isopropyl alcohol would, that I would like get from Amazon or wherever, you know. But I do like the fact that it's made specifically for sanitizing cosmetic products, especially cream products. I was quite surprised to see that it sanitizes cream products, so I can use it with confidence for that. And then the last thing was the Florana cleansing bar. I have used this quite a bit, and I'm really enjoying it. It does a really good job at removing makeup and removing impurities. I have to be a little bit careful around my eyes because I do have sensitive eyes and it can irritate them a little bit, but not too much. It's nothing that I would be concerned about. So all in all, September was a really good box. I'm happy, very happy with September. So now we can get into October box. Yep, so October box. Gonna get all these worms out, or whatever you call them. Okay, what should I start with? I'm going to start with the Hall of Fame for October, which is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I've been hearing a lot of good things about this on YouTube, and I really wanted to try it. And people who already got their boxes, I've seen them really praising this, so I'm very excited to use this. Next I picked this one, which dropped in October, which is the Green Vitamin Concentrate Serum. I wasn't that drawn to it at first, but then latest beauty kept sending emails about it, and I started to read what it does and what it hasn't, and it actually looks super interesting. And I'm loving the uh, packaging as well, very nice and eco-friendly. And this is what the bottle looks like, and says that it's suitable for vegans. It has high quality natural ingredients. Let's see the ingredients. I'm pretty sure I read that it has hyaluronic acid and vitamin C in. So I'm really looking forward to using this. Yeah, it actually says right on there, with natural vitamin C, astaxanthin, I don't know what it is, I'll look it up, and hyaluronic acid. I do have a few serums on the go, but they're all either really small or finishing up. So once they do, I will use this. So yeah, I'm super excited to use this and to try this. And then the rest of my picks are actually from September. There are some things that dropped late in September. After I did my September picks of the month, I do get billed on the 8th of each month. So last time I think I did my picks around the 15th of September, and then this time I did them right on the day that I was billed because I wanted these items. Right, I got the other Luxie brush that was available, and this one is the small dual fiber brush. I was thinking of getting this one in September as well, but there were other things that were really catching my attention in September. So yeah, I got this time. And like I said, I'm really enjoying the Luxie brushes, and I can see myself using this for cream bronzer, cream blush, maybe even foundation. It feels very soft, very nice. And I picked this, it sounded quite interesting to me, from Form. It's the Super Blend Protein and the toffee flavor. And what does it do? Let's see. It says that it's a great tasting combination of plant-based proteins, greens, fruit powders, vitamins, minerals, and fiber to support your lifestyle goals and the growth and maintenance of muscle mass. It has, so this is a 40-gram sachet, and it has 20 grams of it are plant-based protein from organic pea, brown rice, and hemp. It also has maca, flaxseed, greens and fruit powders, fiber and digestive enzymes, no added sugar, artificial flavors or thickeners, and you would mix it with 300 ml of water or your preferred non-dairy milk. I'm guessing you could use it with your regular dairy milk, but if you are a vegan, obviously you don't want that. It says drink 1 or 2 servings a day, either between meals or after exercise. This is just 1 serving, just to try it out. But yeah, I thought I would try it out. It's just interesting to me. Oh, and I know that they had issues with their best befores on some items. This one is best before April 2023. And then speaking of lipsticks that I wanted to pick this month, they had Nabla liquid lipsticks on the counter. So there we are, we got 2 of them. There were 2 drops for Nabla lipsticks. One was for the shade My Rules, which is this one here, and I'll also give you a swatch. Oh, that looks nice. And then the other drop, you would get 1 liquid lipstick, but you could get 1 of 2 shades that the Latest in Beauty team would pick for you. And it was between Eve and Hedonist. I think that's how you pronounce that. I do apologize if I'm pronouncing things wrong. In case it's not clear, English is not my first language, and sometimes I only see things written and not spoken. And I do film on my phone, so it's not like I can check while I'm filming. But yeah, I got shade Eve. I would have been happy with either, by the way. So that's shade Eve there, and there it is. So the reason I wanted these, not only because it's Nabla, and I really wanted to try it, but also because I've watched the live when they presented the September drops, and the ladies that were doing the live were wearing these lipsticks, and it looked so good. So yeah, I really wanted to try them, so there we are. Right, so I've taken whatever lipstick I had on off because I do want to try the Eve lipstick. It does say that they're a velvety formula, so I'm hoping that it's the type of liquid lipstick that suits my lips a little bit more. It says creamy liquid lipstick. What it says? It has an absolute creamy effect, immediate comfort feel for extremely soft lips, and comes in 6 deep intense shades. I think I'll probably have to use a lip liner for this just because of how the applicator is. Ooh, feels a bit tingly for some reason. Not too much though, not like a plumping lipstick or a plumping gloss or anything like that. Nice, so I've blotted it a little bit and I'm quite enjoying this. I think I would prefer this color with a lip liner though, but I'm happy. It doesn't feel too drying right now. As usual, I will give you an update on these next month whenever I upload the video for November unboxing. So yeah, stay tuned for that. And then we have a few more other things in here. We have some member rewards again, and then this month we have the Elisab perfume. And then also as a member reward we had the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. This is a 29 ml. I just have a little card from Freshly Cosmetics because I picked that serum. Doesn't seem to be any discount code or anything, just like a little card to tell you about them. And then just a little card advertising Flora Street. So again, here are my picks for October. If you are a Latest in Beauty subscriber and you've made your picks this month, let me know what you picked. I'm very, very curious to find out. If you're still to make your picks, let me know what you're holding out on. I do hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And I will hope that you will subscribe to see what I thought of these items next month when I unbox the November box. So yes, please subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!